It's 12 o'clock, tick tock, tick tock. Tick says the clock, tock says the chime. Mr. Clack helps us tell the time. Learning hours, day and night. With Mr. Clack, time feels right. Tick tock, wave goodbye. Mr. Clack says time can fly. See you soon, don't forget to rhyme. We'll learn again, one clock at a time. At 7 o'clock, we rise and shine. Brush our teeth, it's breakfast time. At 12 o'clock, the lunch bell rings. Mr. Clack just loves to sing. Tick says the clock, tock says the chime. Mr. Clack helps us tell the time. Morning, noon, and evening too. Telling time is fun to do. At 3 o'clock, we play and run. Jump and laugh in the golden sun. At 8 o'clock, we're off to bed. Dreamy stars above our head. Big hands moving, small hands too, pointing to numbers 1, 2, 2. When they meet up at the top, it's 12 o'clock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 12 o'clock, the clock tick tock. At 12 o'clock, tick tock.